All right, let's see if we could do something a little bit better than just hard coding. Right, so I want to, let's put all of these um, data points into an array. All right, so I want to create a new array here, int um, horse strengths, and let's have that be new int of size n. Right, so this ought to work. Let's double check that. Um, let's run this test case. So the code ran, got an output of 1, so that's good. I'm not doing anything with this array yet. So one of the things I can do now is I can assign the value in this array. So this array, horse strengths, is going to be of size, however many horses I have. And so I can get the ith value, because I'm going to loop through values 0 through the number of horses. And then I can just assign that to be pi. And once again, let's just test this. I like running my code a lot just so that when I run across a bug, it is a bit more obvious to me. So now I am storing all the values in pi. So what can I do here? I can start to store my largest distance. So I can say distance equals, what did we say before, 100 million? And then I can say all right, so let's take the first horse. So we'll say if I is greater than 0. So if I'm looking at a strength of some horse that's not the first horse, then I'll say if the strength of horse 0, which would be horse strength sub 0 minus pi, that's the current horse strength. If that is less than the current distance, I should put in more parentheses here. If that's less than distance, then I want the distance to be horse strength minus pi, right? Because that'll be smaller. And then horse strengths. There we go. So again, this should run. I'm not going to get any different answers here. I just want to see that it runs. Still does run. And now I can output distance. So this is interesting. I'm getting a failure now. I'm showing a -4. Let's take a look at this custom. So -14 is what I'm getting when I expected the value 2, right? 2 because the distance between the first two horses is 2, but I have a value of -14. So I'm doing better than hard code, but I'm not passing this custom test yet. So let's take a look in the next video what's going wrong. See if we can figure out what we want to do to fix it.